Is this all my life boils down to? A row of boxes filled with things that I may never use. Looking back, I've come so far, but what now? Will I change or drag myself down well-trodden paths? But what now? Will I change or carry on making the same mistakes? So what's it gonna take? What's it gonna take? What's it gonna take to lose these weight? Only time will tell. Only time will tell. Only time will tell, and time can take an age. Time can take an age. I have the power to change my future. I've got a condition, and a candle to burn is not a heavy cure. Will I do it? Learn from my past ways. So what now? Can I change or find myself in the circles again? So what now? Can I change? Make the choice to make a new day. So what's it gonna take? What's it gonna take? What's it gonna take to lose these waves? Only time will tell. Only time will tell. Only time will tell, and time can take an age. As more years pass, as more years pass, as more years pass, I'll look right back. Did I hear the call to move? And did I hear the call to change? Or will I make the call